Global military technology advancements reached a new milestone when Turkey officially unveiled its newest unmanned bomber, the Bayraktar. The arrival of this aircraft not only marks a major leap forward in Turkey's national defense industry but also reinforces the country's position as a leading global player in the development of advanced combat drones. Developed by a company led by Selçuk Bayraktar, this project symbolizes Turkey's ambition to become self-sufficient in defense technology. The Kizalma is designed to take off from short runways, including light aircraft carriers, making it flexible for various military operations. One of the most striking aspects of the Kizalma is its design, which resembles a next-generation fighter jet. With its aerodynamic shape and stealth features, the aircraft reduces its radar signature, making it more difficult to detect by enemy defense systems. Furthermore, the Kizalma is equipped with high maneuverability, enabling operations in complex combat environments. The aircraft is also designed to operate alongside manned fighter jets in a loyal wingman concept, where drones support human pilots on higher-risk missions. The Bayraktar Kızılelma excels not only in design but also in technology. The aircraft is equipped with an artificial intelligence (AI) system that enables semi-autonomous decision-making in certain situations. This technology provides a significant advantage in aerial combat that requires a rapid response. Of the most revolutionary aspects of the Bayraktar Kızılelma is its use of artificial intelligence technology. The AI system enables the aircraft to automatically identify targets, make decisions in combat situations, and adjust strategy in real time. With these capabilities, the Kizalma is not entirely dependent on human operators. Under certain conditions, the aircraft can carry out missions semi-autonomously, increasing effectiveness and speed of response on the battlefield. The Kizalma is also designed to operate alongside manned fighter aircraft under the loyal wingman concept. This means the drone can accompany human fighter jets, assisting with reconnaissance, initial strikes, and distraction. This allows the human pilot to focus on key strategic objectives while the Kizalma handles higher-risk tasks. This concept is a new trend in modern warfare and demonstrates how humans and machines can work. Synergistically. Another advantage of the Kizalma is its operational flexibility. This aircraft is designed to take off and land on short runways, including light aircraft carriers. This capability provides a significant advantage for Turkey in expanding its operational reach, particularly in maritime areas. With this flexibility, the Kizalma can be used in a variety of scenarios, both on land and at sea. Because it is pilotless, the Kizalma significantly reduces the risk of casualties in military operations. Furthermore, its operational costs are lower than those of manned fighter jets. The emergence of the Bayraktar Kızılelma marks a paradigm shift in air warfare. While previously manned fighter jets were the dominant force in the air, that role is now shifting to more flexible and efficient unmanned systems. Combat drones like the Kizalma enable lower-cost operations, minimized risk, and the ability to conduct dangerous missions without sacrificing human life. In the long term, this development could lead to a battlefield increasingly dominated by autonomous systems. Despite widespread praise, the Kizalma project has also faced criticism. Some question the suitability of artificial intelligence technology for complex combat situations. Furthermore, there are concerns about the potential for conflict escalation due to the increasingly easy-to-operate use of combat drones. Nevertheless, many argue that these developments are inevitable, and countries around the world will continue to race to develop similar technologies. Turkey's Bayraktar Kızılelma exhibition is not simply the launch of a new military product, but a symbol of a major transformation in the global defense industry. With its combination of advanced technology, high combat capability, and operational flexibility, the Kızılelma has the potential to change the face of modern warfare. Turkey is now not only a user of military technology, but also a respected innovator on the world stage. Going forward, developments like these will continue to shape global military strategy and determine the balance of power between nations. The launch of the Kizalma has major implications for global geopolitics. With this technology, Turkey strengthens its position as a self-sufficient regional military power. Other countries must now reckon with the presence of increasingly sophisticated unmanned combat systems. Furthermore, Turkey's success in developing this technology domestically demonstrates that the country is no longer entirely dependent on Western arms imports. This has the potential to change the dynamics of alliances and the arms trade in the future. Over the past decade, Turkey has become widely known for the success of drones like the Bayraktar TB2, which have proven effective in various conflicts. However, the Kizalma takes this concept to a much higher level. While previous drones primarily functioned as reconnaissance and light attack drones, the Kizalma is designed as a high-speed unmanned combat aircraft with the capability to strike strategic targets.